Okay, so today I found a truck in the woods, and I'm gonna tow it out because I really, really want it. And I contacted the owner of I bought the property, and I contacted the person that I bought it from, and they said if it's on the property, I can have it. So, since that the truck is on the property, I can have it. So what I'm going to get right now is a winch to pull the truck out. But jeez, that car almost hit me. But yeah. So it should be nice when it comes out, so yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, yeah. So I'm going to get the winch, and the attachment for the winch that'll go on my truck. So I guess I'll just see you when I get there. Okay, so I got the attachment on it. I know it's kind of long and weird, but it'll work. So, I'm going to drive to the location. It is like right down the river, but there's like a creek over here. It's right down there. But I have to go in this way. See it right there? It's literally right there. So I'll turn around and I'll see when I get connected and pull this thing out. Okay, so it is attached. Now, I'm going to just drive forward. Oh, that's backwards. Okay, I'm just gonna drive forward. Now, hopefully it'll pull the truck. Huh? Where did the winch go? I think the winch fell off. Or it just... Yeah, the winch fell off. Well, I'll try and fix this. I'll see ya. Okay, so I know the problem. Because this winch is way too thin to pull that truck. So as soon as I put tension on it, it broke the winch. So I'm going to need to get a tow truck to tow that old truck out. And I have already tried. The truck does not start. So yeah. So yeah, I've got to buy a tow truck. So I'll see you once I do that. Okay. I got the tow truck. That was weird because it said that it was rated for like it said it was rated for a lot that when I bought the winch. But maybe that truck is heavier because it's older, maybe. I don't know. But, yeah. It might be stuck in mud, too. So that's going to be a problem. But yeah. So, hopefully, this will be able to get it out. This has a much powerful engine and a much thicker winch. So, yeah. Hopefully, I can get the truck out. So, I'm going to unfold. So, I'll see you when I get the truck on the bed. So, somehow, I got the truck to start. So apparently I was out of gas, and, the gas was bad, and there was like a rat in the engine that was making the engine not work. So, yeah. Look, it starts right up. It's crazy. And I just want to give you a reminder, remember to like and subscribe. I'd do what the sign says. I really would. because it's free. You don't have to pay anything, but you'll get notified when I put out a new video. Okay? Okay. So, back with the video. So, I guess I'm just gonna drive this home. So, hopefully it doesn't break down, because that would suck. But yeah. It somehow got started back up. So, I'm just gonna drive. I just want to see how it drives, because for sitting there that long, it actually drives really good. Like the shocks and tires are good, everything. Yep, it's definitely good with steering. Maybe not. It's a little top heavy, I think, because of the suspension on it. But, yeah. It doesn't sound that good. But, I guess because it's kind of an old truck, I guess it should kind of sound like that. But, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, just hit that. Oh, gosh, I just hit that. Yeah, so, I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, because there's not really much to do now. I mean, maybe a new paint job on. Ooh. Okay. It's got hydraulic suspension on it. Look at this. So, that's cool. What that does. I still don't know what that does. That doesn't do anything. Well, anyways. Yeah. So let's go see. I'm just gonna park this in the garage, because it looks like it looks like it's seen better days. So, let me see. Which one? I'll put it in this. Nope, not that one. I have to put it in this one. But yeah. So, yeah, the steering is kind of stiff because it's not power steering, I don't think. But oh jeez, yeah, that's definitely not power steering. It's definitely a tight fit. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.